Mushroom and French lentil soup. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Peel and dice 3 garlic cloves. Slice 2 celery sticks lengthwise and then finely dice. Cut 1 handful each of shiitake mushrooms and button mushrooms. Chop 1 bunch of parsley. Sauté the onion. Add the diced celery and continue to sauté. Add the quartered mushrooms. Continue to cook over a medium-high heat for 2 minutes. Add 6 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable stock powder. Add 1 cup of French lentils. Stir well and bring to the boil. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils are cooked. Serve topped with freshly chopped parsley.